Let's go to the middle of America to find some farm animals. I wonder what kind of animals we'll see there. Welcome to the Kansas farm. What's that farm animal? It's a chicken. Chicken. It looks like something's trying to eat those apples. I wonder what it is. What's that farm animal? It's a horse. Horse. It looks like something's eating the hay. What's that farm animal? It's a cow. Cow. Did you see that? Something's coming to the lake. What's that farm animal? It's a duck. Duck. Time for roll call. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Ready?
3, 2, 1.
There they are! Hooray! We found all the farm animals. Let's go to the garden. I wonder what animals we'll find here. What's that farm animal? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Something's in the bush. Did you see that? What's that farm animal? It's a llama. A llama. Something's eating vegetables in our garden. What's that farm animal? It's a goat. Goat. I wonder where the last animal is. What's that farm animal? It's a pig. Pig. Let's do a roll call. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Good job, everyone! We found all the farm animals. Come on, everyone. Let's sing our farm animal ABCs. Are you ready to sing along with me? Let's go! A is for apple. Apple. B is for beehive. Beehive. C is for cow. Cow. D is for donkey. Donkey. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? E, egg. Egg. F is for frog. Frog. G, goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. I, inchworm. Inchworm. J is for Junebug. Junebug. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Wow, that was such good ABCs. Are you singing along with me? Wow, I wonder what's next. K, kitten. Kitten. L, llama. Llama. M, mouse. Mouse. N, nest. Nest. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? O, owl. Owl. P, pig. Pig. Q, quail. Quail. R, rabbit. Rabbit. S, sheep. Sheep. T, turkey. Turkey. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That was so much fun, everyone. Just a few more letters left to learn. Come on, let's try the next ones. U, umbrella. Umbrella. V, vegetable. Vegetable. W, windmill. Windmill. X, xylophone. Xylophone. Y, yak. Yak. Z, zucchini. is a zucchini. Can you sing this time? Thanks for singing along, everyone. Those are the Farmyard ABCs. We can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye. Peekaboo Farm, animal sounds for kids. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the farm. Did you hear that? It sounded like an animal. I wonder what's inside. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a horse. A horse. It's a horse. I see a brown horse. There's a baby horse. The woman's riding the horse. There's something inside. Let's have a look. What animal is that? A pig. It's a pig. That pig's in the mud. There's some baby pigs. I see 3 little pigs. Look, that pig is black. I hear an animal. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a goat. A goat. Look, there's a little goat and a big goat. That goat is eating. Let's feed the goats. I see 1 goat. I see 2 goats. Look, there's something inside. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a cow. A cow. That cow is black and white. I see a baby cow. There's the mommy cow. Let's feed the baby cows. They're drinking milk. What's that? What animal is that? It's a sheep. I hear a sheep. There's lots of sheep over there. Look, baby sheep. Those are lambs. I see lots of white sheep. We saw lots of animals in the barn. Now we'll go to the hay field. There's a truck. Let's go see the animals at the hay field. Do you hear that? There must be something in there. I hear an animal. I wonder what it is. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a dog. Look, a dog is in the hay. I see 2 puppies, 2 baby dogs. There's a dog. I see another dog. Oh, look! There's something in there! What animal is that? A turkey! I see a turkey. I see 3 turkeys. A turkey is a big bird. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a donkey. A donkey. Let's feed the donkey. The donkey's eating. The donkey's in the field. Look, there's an animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a llama. Look, a llama. A mommy llama and a baby llama. I see 3 llamas. That llama is black and white. I hear an animal. What animal is that? It's a chicken. I see a chicken and 4 eggs. There's a baby chicken. That's called a chick. I see chickens. Let's go to the garden now. I bet we'll see lots of animals in the garden. I wonder if any will eat carrots. Let's find some vegetables. The garden. Huh, it sounds like there's an animal. I wonder what's in there. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a rabbit. There's a rabbit in the garden. I see a little rabbit. There's a white rabbit. Wow, there's so many rabbits. Do you hear that? I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a mole. Wow, a mole. They live underground. That mole is digging. That mole is digging. It's a little black mole. Did you hear that? The puppy's digging something. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a chipmunk. Look, a chipmunk. It's so little. That chipmunk chipmunk is eating. He has a snack. Hi, chipmunk. I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a hedgehog. Look, a hedgehog. A hedgehog has little quills. Aww, it's so sweet. It's a little hedgehog. What is that? There's something near the carrots. Wow, what animal is that? It's a snake. A snake. I see a little snake. Whoa, that's a big snake. There's a green snake. I see a snake. What's that? Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's an armadillo. Wow, it's an armadillo. Now let's go to the flower garden. Something is in that bush. I wonder what it is. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a hummingbird. A hummingbird drinks nectar. There's a hummingbird. That hummingbird is green and blue. I see a hummingbird. Oh, look! There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a butterfly. Wow, a butterfly. I see a blue butterfly. There's so many butterflies. Be gentle. There's something in that bush. What animal is that? It's a snail. A snail. A snail has a hard shell. I think I hear something. What animal is that? It's a spider. A spider. Wow! I see a spider in a web. There's a little spider. Hello, little spider. He's waving. Do you hear that? It sounds like an animal. What animal is that? It's a ladybug. A little red ladybug. Ladybugs have little wings. They can fly. That ladybug's drinking. I see 2 ladybugs. I wonder if something's in that bush. What animal is that? It's an ant. An ant. I see 2 red ants. Hi, ants. Wow. Oh, look. I see apples. We must be in the orchard now. Let's go to the orchard. The orchard has lots of apple trees at this farm. Shall we pick an apple? Let's go to the orchard. Did you hear that? Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a rooster. I hear a rooster. A rooster is a daddy chicken. There's a rooster. Do you hear something? It's in the orchard. What animal is that? It's a bat. Wow, the bat is upside down. I see 2 bats. Look, there's bats. Hi, bat. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a squirrel. A squirrel. That squirrel has a snack. He's eating. I see a squirrel. Uh-oh, it's snowing on the squirrel. Do you hear that? I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a rat. A little white rat. That rat is white and gray. That rat's in a shopping cart. Silly rat. What is that? I wonder what's in there. What animal is that? It's a goose. Those geese are noisy. I see a goose. There's a white one. Do you hear that squeaking? What animal is that? It's a guinea pig. A guinea pig. That guinea pig is eating grass. He's getting a bath. Guinea pigs like to eat. Good job finding all the animals with us today at Peekaboo Farm. We'll see you next time. Are you ready to go to the farm and meet some of the cutest baby farm animals you've ever seen? We're gonna learn all about tiny bunnies, wobbly baby goats, fluffy ducklings, soft little kittens, and even a wriggly green caterpillar that turns into a butterfly. These baby animals are silly, snuggly, and super fun. So get your animal sounds ready. Can you moo like a baby cow? How about bleat like a baby llama? Let's go on a baby animal adventure together. Are you ready? Let's meet our first baby farm animal friend, baby rabbit. Bunny. A baby rabbit is also called a bunny or a kit. Kits are born with no fur and their eyes fully closed. Mama bunnies go out during the day and only visit once or twice to feed them. They grow up super fast in just 2 weeks. Baby bunnies love to hop around and snuggle in their soft nests of fur and grass. They like to eat grasses and vegetables. Baby goat. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Kids can stand and jump just minutes after they're born. They drink milk from their moms, but when they grow, they munch on grass and hay. Baby goats often have twin siblings and sometimes even triplets. They love to run, climb, and bounce off rocks or logs. Baby goats play by head-butting gently. It's a silly goat game. Baby cow. Calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Calves can stand up and walk less than an hour after birth. They drink their mom's milk until they're ready to eat grass and grain. Most calves have one sibling at a time, but sometimes they're born as twins. Calves love to run in the fields and chase butterflies. They play by kicking their back legs and running in circles. Baby chicken. Chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chicks hatch from eggs after 21 days in the nest. They eat tiny seeds and grains, and sometimes even bugs. Yum! Chicks often have many siblings because hens can lay lots of eggs. They play by peeping, pecking, and chasing each other around. Chicks love to stay close to Mama Hen under her warm feathers. Baby horse. Foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals can stand up and walk quickly, sometimes in just 20 minutes after they're born. They drink milk from their moms, but will try grass and hay soon after. Most foals don't have siblings, but they love playing with other young horses. Foals like to gallop, kick, and run in big open spaces. They play tag with each other and chase their own tails, just like puppies. Baby pig. Piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglets are born in big litters, sometimes 10 or more. That's a lot of brothers and sisters. They drink milk from Mama Pig and later eat grains and vegetables. Pigs play by running, squealing, and playing in mud puddles. They snuggle with their many siblings to stay warm. Piglets love to root around in the dirt with their snouts looking for snacks. Baby cat. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kittens are born with closed eyes and tiny squeaks. They drink milk from their mama cat and later eat soft kitty food. Kittens are usually born in litters of 3 to 5 siblings. They love to chase string, roll around, and pounce. Kittens play by batting toys and wrestling with their siblings. Baby sheep. Lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs are born with woolly coats and tiny bleats. That's the sound they make. They drink milk from their moms and later eat grass or hay. Most lambs are born with a twin. They love to run, hop, and race around the pasture chasing their brother or sister. Baby duck. Duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducklings can swim right after hatching. They eat bugs, grass, seeds, and little water plants. Ducklings hatch with lots of fluffy siblings, sometimes 8 or more. Ducklings follow their mom in a line and like to splash in the water. Ducklings play by diving underwater and chasing ripples. Baby bird. Chick. A baby bird is called a chick, just like baby chickens. They're born with soft pink skin but grow feathers as they get older. When they're born, they can't see, but learn to use their sight later. Chicks eat worms and bugs brought by their mom and dad. Most baby birds have brothers and sisters in the same nest. They chirp and stretch their beaks open to get food. Once they grow feathers, they flutter and hop while learning to fly. Baby llama. Cría. A baby llama is called a cría. Crías can stand and walk in less than an hour. They drink milk from their moms and grow fast. Most crías are born alone, but they play with others in the herd. Crías love to run and zoom their long legs. They play by jumping, nuzzling, and spinning in circles. Baby butterfly. Caterpillar. A caterpillar is the baby of a butterfly. It hatches from an egg and starts eating right away. Caterpillars love to eat lots of green leaves. Chomp, chomp. Once a caterpillar grows up, it becomes a chrysalis. When it's a chrysalis, it transforms by growing wings. Once it hatches from the chrysalis, it becomes a butterfly. Baby dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Puppies are born with closed eyes and ears and love to cuddle. They drink milk from their mama and later eat puppy food. Puppies are born in litters of 3 to 12 siblings depending on the breed. They love to play with balls, chase their tails, and wrestle with their siblings. Puppies also play by chewing on toys and learning to bark. Today we're learning names and sounds of farm animals. Welcome to the farm. Let's meet some animals. Goat. 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 The baby goat is eating. There's a baby goat. Cow. Cow. There's a cow. Cows. Llama. Llama. That llama is eating. 2 llamas. There's a baby llama. Sheep. 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 A baby sheep is a lamb. Sheep. Pig. Pig. There's piglets. Piglets are baby pigs. There's lots of pigs. There's more piglets. Dog. 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 Dogs. Dogs. Cat. Cats. 3 cats. There's a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. There's a gray kitten. 1 cat is drinking. 1 cat is playing. Horse. 3 horses. A white horse. There's a baby horse. A baby horse is a foal. A foal. Chicken. There's chicks and a hen. Baby chicks, mama hen. A chicken. Chicks. Chicken. Duck. Ducks. Ducks. There's ducklings. Ducklings are baby ducks. Turkey. Turkeys. 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 Donkey. Donkey. She's feeding the donkey. Donkeys. He's riding the donkey. Rabbit. 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 3 rabbits. A bull. 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 Bulls. Bull. Rooster. Rooster. Two roosters. Rooster. I see roosters. Let's review farm animals. What animal is that? It's a goat. A goat. What animal is that? Cow. Cow. What animal is that? It's a llama. What animal is that? Sheep. What animal is that? It's a pig. What animal is that? Dog. What animal is that? It's a cat. What animal is that? Horse. What animal is that? Chicken. What animal is that? Duck. It's a duck. What animal is that? Turkey. Turkey. What animal is that? A donkey. What animal is that? It's a rabbit. What animal is that? It's a bull. What animal is that? It's a rooster. Sun's getting low. Looks like it's time to leave the farm. We'll see you next time.